This exercise combines two challenges. Challenge number one is I'll be standing on an incline, and then the second challenge is I'm going to be reaching up. And you'll notice that both of these balance challenges are affecting in the sagittal plane. Just standing on the incline makes my balance want to shift posteriorly, and then add reaching up overhead, and that also wants make my balance shift posteriorly. So both of those are making the movement of reaching overhead require more control to prevent a loss of balance backwards. And yellow. Then on the other side I'll have green and blue. So an exercise like this you might want to pick if you do have a patient that you're trying to improve their stability whenever they look up, reach up, go up a hill, and you don't want them to lose their balance backwards. You can introduce these challenges independently or combine them together in a combined exercise like what I just shown you here. You'll notice there's just a variety of ways you can combine exercises, and I'm only showing you 2 or 3 in this balance series, but certainly you can combine any number of surfaces, stances, and reaches to create unique exercises for your patients that are going to be important for what they're trying to get better at. So thanks for tuning in.